Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make revolvers just like this. So first you need to get this type of block and put it backwards. Now get this, flip it upside down. I'm pretty sure it's like this. Now do that. No, not that. Oh my god, no, I just dropped my controller. Anyway, that's fine. Now go over here, now just attach where you put it. Oh no, I forgot where I put it. I think it might have been upside down. Yeah, like over here, I'm pretty sure. Let's say over here. I don't know. You know, I'm just gonna retry this. Anyway. So get this, make it upside down. Put this like that. Put that like no. Put that like that. There we go. Now get this block. Put it over here just like that. And get this one block. And put it over here. And that's how to make a revolver. So yeah. See you guys.